What is up, guys? Welcome back to a video. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today we are here at Popeyes, and today we're going to be doing a food review, as you guys already know. So when I usually come to Popeyes, I usually come here to get the chicken sandwich, but I've had the chicken sandwich twice, so I'm not going to really get it today. Anyways, so what we're going to do is this $6 shrimp combo that I got, and here it is. So you get fried shrimp, you get a biscuit, and you get a mashed potatoes with gravy. Well, you know, you can get whatever side you want. It comes with the biscuit and comes with the shrimp. You can get whatever side you want. I want a mashed potatoes and gravy because that's the best thing they got. And there we go, guys. So right now, I'm going to try this shrimp. I don't really eat fried shrimp, but let's try it. It's hot. Damn. I'm not really much of a shrimp eater. I actually hate eating shrimp, but this is good. Like, I don't mind fried shrimp, and I hate regular shrimp. It's disgusting. Now, here's our biscuit. We're gonna show you guys this. While I was waiting to get my food, I was looking at the TV, and they were talking about shooting after shooting. I was shocked. But America, we gotta do something about what's been going on with the violence in this country. Like, you know, you can't even look at the news. The news doesn't even show positive things nowadays because of the crime that's been going on. So it's quite annoying. Popeyes makes the best biscuits, I'm telling you. So good. I could use something to drink, but I don't want to pay $2 extra for a small drink, so I figured I would just not get a drink. Out of 10 Popeyes, I'm gonna give you guys an 8. Out of 5, this shrimp, 5 all day. It's great shrimp. And this is here's the craziest thing about it. I hate shrimp. Unless it's fried, I will not eat shrimp, but this is good. All my Popeyes reviews have been great. I don't eat KFC. Actually, believe it or not, never been to KFC in my life. But I do Popeyes a lot. There's not really too many KFCs around here. All right, we're gonna get into our mashed potatoes now. Oh wow, this is runny gravy. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see, but here's my mashed potatoes. Yeah, you guys can't really see. I make gravy at home that's a lot thicker than this, but it's fine. We're gonna mix it up. I've never had Popeyes mashed potatoes, so we're gonna get into it. This is not very good. It's hot. Too hot. We're just gonna get back to the shrimp because isn't that why we came here? So let's go. Popeyes came through with the shrimp. I really like it. I mean, wow. By the way, this Popeyes is in an abandoned shopping mall. This is the shopping mall that I showed you guys about 3-4 months ago. It's completely abandoned. The only thing left is the Popeyes. There used to be a hair salon, a Dots fashion store. I think there's still a pizza place up the street. But that's going to finish up today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. That's it.